Hey, welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video starts off a new year of collaborations. We are doing a healthy challenge collaboration. Tiffany from Small Town 6 is hosting this collaboration. She will be doing a monthly collaboration for the rest of the year. Each month will have specific topics that we're videoing about. I will have Tiffany's channel listed below in the description box, as well as a playlist of all the creators who are making healthy dishes for you today. If you are new to Melinda's Messy Sink, I'm so glad that you stopped by. I hope that you enjoy my content and consider hitting that subscribe button. This month's challenge is to cook something healthy. I am doing a video on how to cook chicken breast. No matter what diet you're on, chicken breast usually lines up with your diet because chicken breasts are lean protein. I found this video on TikTok and I wanted to try it to see if it worked the way that she says. She claims that this chicken is the most moist chicken that you can come up with. So let's go ahead and get started on how to cook a chicken breast. Okay guys, to start on our chicken, the very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out of the refrigerator and we are going to let it come up to room temperature for about 20-30 minutes. We're gonna pat dry our chicken, both sides. Can you believe this chicken breast? It's one chicken breast. I couldn't believe it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check it over to make sure. I think before I froze it, I got a lot of the fat and stuff off. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to slice it in half horizontally so that we come up with two good sized chicken breasts. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start down here in the thick end. And I'm just gonna cut through the best I can. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these sit here, just making sure there wasn't any fat in there. Sit here and come up to room temperature and we'll be back. I'm gonna give my hands a good wash and get my knife cleaned up. All right, our chicken has been resting for about 20 minutes. I found this recipe on TikTok, so I'm gonna make sure that I link it in the description box below. You can use whatever seasoning you want. I think that she used salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, maybe something else. I'm going to use this Badia poultry seasoning southern blend. But like I said, you can use whatever seasoning that you want. I'm gonna heavily season it on both sides. All right, we're gonna move over to my stovetop. We have our oven preheating on 400 degrees and we're going to put our skillet on the burner and get it really, really hot. Just the skillet only. All right, I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I've let it get really, really hot. So now we're going to add the cold oil to the hot pan. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but you could use whatever kind of oil that you wanted. We're gonna add our chicken breast. And we're gonna let these cook about 3 minutes on this side. All right, these have been searing on the one side. We're gonna give these a flip. We're gonna move these to the oven that is up at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken breast. All right, guys, our chicken breast just came out of the oven and they look wonderful and my house smells so good. I'm like dying for a piece of this chicken. So it says that we need to let it rest for 10 minutes. All right, my chicken has rested for the 10 minutes. We're gonna cut this open. Oh my goodness, she was right. It is super duper moist. I'm gonna bring it up to the camera. Can you see all those juices that's running off onto my hands? I'm gonna give this a try. Oh my goodness. Super good. Very moist, good flavor. All right, I've got all of this chicken diced up to go in my husband's lunch tomorrow. I'm just putting it in a to-go container. Just want to give you, it's nice and juicy. My husband's taking salad and grilled chicken tomorrow. He'll figure out how much of this that he wants to eat in the morning when he packs his lunch. But I just wanted to have it all ready for him tonight. So here's a nice, healthy, lean protein for my husband's lunch for the next few days. Grilled chicken breast. And that's a wrap on our first challenge from Small Town 6 this year. As a reminder, Tiffany's channel will be listed below, as well as the playlist for you to check out lots of great healthy challenge recipes for you. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.